What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got this almost 5-year-old package air conditioner with gas furnace. Complaint was it's not cooling right, and that's definitely true. You can see 2018 right there. Had about a 6-degree split. Actually, I can actually just show you. Well, it won't be accurate because the door is off, but it had about a 6-degree split, and the suction pressure is really low. High pressure is pretty low as well. And me knowing what I know about Tranes, I quickly opened this indoor coil. I mean, that's clear as day, right? I don't even need to go get a leak detector. I don't need to go get the dye, because I mean that big oil stain is a dead giveaway. So we're gonna go ahead and give them a quote for the repair. We did not install this unit, so there's no labor warranty on it, and the part should be under warranty though. So yeah, it's not gonna be cheap. It's not gonna be cheap, but I'm making this video to remind everyone that more important than the brand, and even more important than the installation, which doesn't look like whoever installed this was, horrible at installing. I would have done things a little different, but they didn't look like they were horrible at installing. But more important than the installation is that you use the right company, that they can come out and fix it for you. Because the other company didn't come out, pushed them out weeks out, so they decided to call us, and we're most likely going to be the ones to do the work. So, well, remember, tell your friends and family to use the right company and the right brand and the right installation, because all three of those things are pretty much critical for the most expensive appliance to a home, which is the HVAC system. So alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.